because when you go to company guys, it will take a lot of time to settle down. Okay, so whatever you want to do, life or death, this is practice that you have to do here only guys. Fine, now let us see guys another very important topic called debugging. In earlier class also I discussed, but what is debugging in companies, why we need to work with the debugging. And it's not only ABAP guys, you take any topic, it's UFI Fairy, ABAP on HANA, or it's maybe functional, anything guys, you have debugging concept. So first of all, technically guys, we need to understand what is a bug actually. Bug, it's a software we are calling bug. It's a famous word, technical word called bug. In software engineering you'll find this concept called bug guys. Okay, bug. Actually in every language we have error, and we have a concept called exception, and we have a concept called bug. Three things. Error is syntax error. Okay, it's a mistake you are doing. See, you are committing a mistake, you are not keeping full stop at the end. See here, only throwing error message, red color, danger. See, control F2, you select control F2, here only it will throw the error. Loop is invalid here due to grammar, contains an invalid character. Okay, so because we are not closing here properly, so error gone guys. This is called error message. Now exception guys, exception is a dump guys. I will show that also. It's a dump, an unusual thing which system cannot understand. The things which system cannot understand is called an exception. Okay, let me show you in another program what is that exception. So sometimes we are getting convert no number, dbf RSQL exception, timeout exception. These are all exceptions. So for example, I'm writing like this: x, say 20, say y type I, say z type I. So I'm dividing z is equal to x, y. Write z. I'm printing something, z value. Now this is an exception guys. Here I'm dividing a number called x with y guys. So x is having 20, y is having 0 guys, 0. No value is 0 guys. Default value will be 0 in y. So you'll get division by 0 exception. This is a dump guys. See, program terminated. In companies, yeah, hundreds of exceptions you'll get. And this exception you can see in ST22 transaction code. We have a transaction code called ST22. So guys, 567 exceptions. Runtime exceptions, runtime errors we are getting. See, and this is my user ID because it is red color guys, and these are all your background jobs. See, SAP means definitely it's a background job running in background. See guys, first one is mine. Okay, see, compute integer 0 divide. It's an exception. See guys, and here you can find what is the reason behind it, what exactly happened, error analysis. You can check exception. See what exactly happened. An exception has occurred which is explained in below detail, blah 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 blah. Source code guys, which code? You double click on this option, source code extract. It will show you guys this place. This place we are getting the exception. You have some lines, some symbols also. You can check the symbols. See guys, these symbols. Here we are getting the exception. And here you can see ABAP editor debug also. You can see guys, select this button on the top. See ABAP debugger. It will take you to exactly that place. Exactly. Even it is a 20,000 lines program guys. It will take you exactly that place where that exception is occurring guys. Okay, and but technically you should understand guys. Oh, this is some number. System is trying to divide by 0. So that is called exception. Now what is a bug guys? So bug is very difficult to capture guys. It's not an error. Error you can identify. Exception also you can identify. It will not take much. Yes, please.
Sorry. So the exception, we are not given the XY value, right? How it will assume the value 0?
See, let me show you. This I will show you in debugging. Okay. See, if you are not giving any value, remember always integer.
Okay.
If you're not in software, any variable, if you're not giving any value for integers or decimals, it will take 0 guys by default.
Oh.
Characters, by default, it will take space if you're not giving. Here I'm giving a value, but here I'm not giving a value for this, So it will take junk values called 0 guys. Okay. So here I'm dividing 20 by 0. You know infinity, guys. System cannot understand that value. It is showing down. And we have exception handling also. We'll discuss that in object-oriented programming. We can catch. Okay, we have exception handling concept. Don't worry. We'll discuss in object-oriented programming. It's too far away to discuss. We will see later. You can catch also, guys. This exception. Catch cx underscore psi underscore 0 divide. This is exception handling. We can catch also. Guys. That is called exception classes. These are all object-oriented concepts. You don't worry about it, and you will not get the dump, guys. Okay, so cx underscore psi divide 0. Some classes are there. We can catch also. So we have to write a lot of code. Try. Okay, currently I'm getting error. We'll see later all this how to catch exceptions. Now let us see what is a bug, guys. So there are so many misconceptions. Means bugs. Some people will say it's an error. No, guys. Bug is not an error. It's not an exception. Bug is an unusual case, guys. It's an unusual case. Exactly, I want an output. I want an output, but I'm not getting it. So I will show you. For example, so here I'm writing wrong name, guys. Here I'm writing ORT01 first by chance, by mistake. It will happen, guys. Everybody will do mistakes. Here I'm writing reverse order. This is customer, this is name actually. Here I'm getting ORT01 by mistake because it's a large program. And due to some tension, guys, due to some pressure, I'm writing some wrong code. Okay, you execute it. Now see what will happen whenever you are executing this report. In second column for end users, actually it is city, guys. So instead of name, I'm getting city. Instead of city, I'm getting name. It's a wrong, guys. This is called bug. I hope you are getting it. It's very easy to understand. This is called bug, guys. Until no error, no exception. But I'm not getting the data properly. Guys. Wrong columns I'm getting. This is a bug. So if you want to capture these bugs, we have a concept called debugging, guys. I will do debugging because here I'm not authorized to do it because it's a development system. See, guys, you are not authorized to debug in a ABAP program. So it's a. So I will go to unit test client. Everything is real time, guys. Real time. I will show you. This is my unit test client. Same server is same. Just we need to change the client number. So here I am authorization. This is unit test client. That is development. Okay. Here I can do debugging. I will tell you guys what is breakpoint within a short time. I will tell you. Now, here we need to set a breakpoint. And these breakpoints concept is very useful for everybody, not only technical, functional, everybody, guys. Basis. Now you keep a breakpoint here, place the cursor. Nothing, mouse pointer, very easy. Place a breakpoint, place a cursor, and select this stop symbol. See, this is called session breakpoint, and this is called external breakpoint. Session breakpoint means within the system. External breakpoint means outside the systems. If you want to debug process integration, iDocs or CRM, guys, SCM, BIBO things, Java things. If you want to debug all those things, Python system, if you are getting data, guys, UFI, you are getting data, ABAP on HANA, you are getting data. You need to go for external debugging. So currently we are not discussing about external debugging. We'll see in BAPIC concept. Whenever we discuss RFC concept, we have a concept of RFC, guys, remote function call. At that time I will discuss. Okay, what is external debugging? What will cover it, guys? Don't worry. So select breakpoint, internal breakpoint, and no need to go to that much far away place, guys. Simply you can right left side also you can click here. See, guys, simply click one click. A breakpoint is automatically set, and this is called soft breakpoint. In normal plain language, we are calling it a soft breakpoint, and normal language we are calling it as dynamic breakpoint also. Technically, it is called dynamic breakpoint. Dynamic. This is a technical terminology. Dynamic. Anywhere you can keep. You can remove. You can keep. You can remove. You can keep. In other words, you are calling it a soft breakpoint. Soft language, you are calling it a soft breakpoint. Okay, now execute it. See, select F8. So directly, instead of hitting the execution, guys, instead of getting the output, again I'm repeating this word, instead of giving the result, So my program is terminated. Execution has been terminated, guys. Execution has been terminated. So breakpoint is terminating the execution of my program. It is taking me to certain place. It is taking me to certain place. So double click on IT, internal table. See guys, IT, you can double click directly. Now see guys, right side please. So the best thing is guys, desktop 3. By default, standard tab is selected. You select desktop 3. This is best guys. You will find both simultaneously. See guys, on the right side you will find variables, on left side you will find the code guys. See. Now see guys, this is your IT. Currently 0 records. See right side also, see 0 records. Now double click on that IT. It will take you to internal table. See guys. Now select. If you want to do debugging, we have various shortcut key guys in ABAPs. So first I want to tell you the shortcut keys of debugging. Same guys, F5. F5 is step by step, single step. And this practically I will explain you guys what they will do. This is next step or execute step. F7 and F8. F8 is execute guys. Okay. I will tell you guys, practically I will explain you everything. See. So I will show you first F5 guys, shortcut key F5, step by step. So I'm selecting F5 guys, see F5. So as soon as I'm selecting F5, and this is your yellow color control, see. Now see my yellow color control is on loop guys. And you can go back also. Suppose I want to show the debugging back. Yes, you can go back. Like in cinema guys, we can replay in YouTube's. From here, from this yellow color, I want to go back to that place. Let me show you what exactly I want to tell you. See guys, so currently my yellow color control is here guys. This is called control guys, control execution. Now again I want to go back here guys, see, go back here. So we have a debugger guys on the top menu path. In this debugger one option is there, go to guys, go to again. Okay, let us see that one. See guys, debugger. First you place the cursor. And this is dynamic breakpoint. You can keep also, you can remove also. See, I'm double click, gone. Again you double click, it is kept. See, that is why it is called dynamic. So select statement, place the cursor on select statement. Select debugger option on the top, see. Select go to statement, see. See guys, again I went back, see. Again my control went back to that place. But already data came guys, data came already because it is already executed. 72,000 records are more than that, see. Oh my God, it's more than 7 lakh records. 7 lakh 56,000 customers are there, see. So you can go back also. Again, you can check what exactly it is doing, guys. Okay, see. And you can see the bug, guys. Here, see, guys, customer. So instead of getting name, under name field, I'm getting city, guys. Under city field, I'm getting name. So it's a bug, guys, actually. With this, you can understand it's a bug. This is called bug, guys. Okay. Bug means I'm getting wrong data in the wrong field. Means somewhere my code is breaking. Something I written wrong. Okay, that we need to check. Again, you go back to your program.
So there is a yellow there is a yellow line and breakpoint, right? So so yellow line is just to run the loop, is it? One record to other record.
Yeah, it's just a step by step. The yellow color is step by step.
Okay.
Step by step. In previous versions, when we are working in 2000 guys, we have blue color. This is an old debugger. See, this is new debugger. Okay, now only we saw it's a blue color, that is old debugger. Okay, when 4.6 version 4.7 we used to work at that time. This is new debugger. So here you will find yellow color, yellow controls.
So when you hit F5, it will keep going, right? So it will keep going one after other records.
Correct. Whenever you select F7, it will go to again next line.
So what is breakpoint here? Why we are doing that?
Yeah, breakpoint actually, see, suppose why we are keeping breakpoint. I want to skip some code actually. See, if you want to debug, I don't want to debug step by step. Step by step, I don't want to debug. So if you select this debugging option, if you select this button called debugging, So what it will do, first it will go to directly select statement, then it will go to loop, then it will go to this place. I don't want like that. It's like X-ray, guys, scanning. No, I don't
Oh,
want to do everything. All the body I don't want to scan. I want to scan only kidneys. Okay, I want to take the control to this place, directly to loop. So at select statement I don't want. So keep the breakpoint there. That is the advantage of breakpoint. So keep the breakpoint. Now I execute. Now it will not go to select statement, and the select is also executed. Internally only the select statement is already executed, guys. See, now currently my breakpoint is on loop. So select is already done, guys. Now you provide your internal table. See, double click on IT. Double click on ITC. Already done. See, more than we got the records in your internal table. See, that is the advantage of breakpoints. So breakpoint will not waste your time. Even it is a 20,000 lines, you keep your breakpoint at 90,000 lines. So all that remaining 18,999 will be executed automatically. System will do it automatically. And system will take you directly to 19,000 line. So this code is already done. Okay. It's
So
like
when we, so it means when we put a breakpoint on particular line that gets executed at that point itself, right?
correct. That's why definition is wonderful definition will be there. Let me tell you what breakpoint will exactly. Simple. It terminates the execution of a program until the breakpoint is reached. Until the breakpoint is reached. Okay, it will take a break. And instead of giving, actually, whenever you are selecting F8, so program should be executed. These are a thing which should happen. But what you are doing with breakpoint, you are taking a halt, guys. In between, you are taking a break here. Okay, you are taking break, long break or short break, whatever may be. You are taking a break in between. Between that execution, here break will be there. And control directly take you to that point, guys, that place which exactly you want to scan. Then it is executed. This is called breakpoint is reached. Fine. And we have different types of breakpoints. We have a dynamic breakpoint.
and when you keep the breakpoint, so you keep the breakpoint in line 20 or something. So it means it is going to read until the end statement of the loop, is it?
Correct. Up to here it is already read, executed. Up to here it is executed. It will start executing from here. Still it is not executed. We are here currently. My yellow color control is here.
Okay.
This is done already. This execution is done. Because I don't want to see, because I understood this is perfect. As per my understanding, technically, this code is perfect.
Okay.
Okay. From here, some problem is going on. See, the heart is good, my brain is good. Somewhere problem is there, some small pain is there in my legs. See, when your pain is in your legs, so you will not scan your brain, your heart. You definitely will do scanning only leg only, right? Leg only.
Yeah.
So my understanding, as per technical understanding, okay, here my problem is there. So instead of wasting my time in this entire code, I will directly go to this place. Here I'll keep the breakpoint. Okay?
And we give breakpoint only for start, right? For the end, we are not giving a breakpoint.
Ending not giving. Okay, no. So okay, let me tell you. Suppose you want to debug something else. Suppose, guys, this code is passed successfully. This code is this is not a problem again. Then what I will do in leg also there is no problem, no problem. Then I will do some other scanning. Then I will keep somewhere else also breakpoint, because this program is very small. Let me show you. In this program only we'll discuss no problem. See now what I am doing. So first I am thinking in my select statement there is a problem. In my select statement there is a problem, so I am keeping a breakpoint here. Okay, I have executed. See, executed. Now what is going on? I will do debugging. See, I am selecting tables, IT, select F5. I'm getting all my data sheets, more than 7 lakh records. Then I'm thinking, no, this here there is no problem. Perfect. It looks perfect because I'm getting data as per my understanding. So then what I will do, I will keep the breakpoint somewhere here. I will keep here, guys. Okay, see, city, I will keep the breakpoint here. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Now what will happen? Instead of that place, directly control goes to this place. Now I want to carry my control to this place. Now my control is waiting here. See, that is F7, guys. Shortcut key F7 will take you. So currently my control is here actually. But directly I want to take my control here, guys. So where on? See here, gap is 36 and 40th line. But in real time, guys, the gap is very large. So this may be 2000 line. This may be 5000 line. So what you do, I want to skip this entire code, guys. This code I don't want to debug now. So directly you can keep breakpoint here, guys. And you select F7 shortcut key, F7. So system will directly take you the control from this place to this place directly. Are you getting me?
Yeah, but suppose now we put the breakpoint at line 40. If we have 100 more lines, so does it going to read?
So those lines are executed automatically.
Oh, so anything below that, everything will be executed.
Yeah, correct. All those 100 lines will be executed. System will execute it and take you to directly to 40th line. Okay.
Yeah, it comes to 40th line. So suppose in this program, if we have 20 more lines, say about 60 lines we have. If that's the case, it will start at 40, then it will go up to 60, right? Even there is other program, it will read up to that, and it will stop, right?
Exactly. Yeah. And now you select F7. See, where is my control? See, it directly went to 40th line. Instead of executing 10th line, instead of executing this one, 30th line, directly went 40. That what F7 will do. F7 is what? See, return. It will directly return that code directly. That is the advantage of F7. Okay, we'll see, guys. Don't worry. It's a very small program. But whenever we'll discuss very big programs, don't worry. When you will say big programs, Rajshekhar will teach very big. Yes, definitely, guys. We'll go for that very big programs also. At that time, we'll see in depth. I hope it is clear. So we have two types of breakpoints: dynamic and static. Let me tell you that also. Dynamic, you can keep, guys. You can remove. And so once your system is shut down, guys. Once your system is shut down, so dynamic breakpoint will die, guys. Okay, it will die. Die means automatically system will remove it. Static breakpoint is very dangerous, guys. Okay, it's very dangerous, and don't keep, guys. It's my advice. Okay, so static breakpoint is kept by using a keyword called break-point. Okay, break-point and break username. And this is not advisable, guys. It's very dangerous, guys. Why? Because it's like a Caesar. You are doing some surgery. Exactly, you are doing a surgery, guys. If you are keeping this breakpoint in your program and you fail to remove this one, guys, you fail to remove this breakpoint, it's a very big problem, guys. And you move to production, and it is moved to production. It's a very big problem, I'm telling you, because client, when he will execute that program, it will directly go to this place, and client will be highly embarrassed, guys. He will say, hey, what happened, Rajshekhar? Previously I was not going to ABAP debugger. Today what is I am getting is a new thing. You will say select F8, client will never agree, guys. It's a big problem for you. So either you keep this one. This is quite, I can say it's safe, guys. Okay, and it will be executed for that user only, guys. Okay, let me show you what is static breakpoint. Now I want to go to this place. This place directly I want to go. So instead of keeping the soft breakpoint, so keep this breakpoint. See, guys, break point. Execute, activate. Now you run your program. See, execute. See, guys. See, guys, here I'm not getting it because I'm not authorized for debugging. So directly go to your sandbox or unit test client. So whenever you activated that program, say here, guys, in unit test client also it is available. See, guys, automatically the code will come automatically because both the clients are client independent. Remove the soft breakpoint. Let us execute. It will directly hit that breakpoint. See, guys, hitting. See, guys, breakpoint is hitting. Session 5, session C, blah blah. See, it is hitting. See, guys, directly it is taking me to that place. Now the name indicates static. Static means you cannot remove. Dynamic you can keep and remove, guys. You keep here, no problem. Done, kept. Remove it. Here you keep it. That is the advantage of soft breakpoint or dynamic breakpoint. Static breakpoint you cannot remove. It will never die, guys. It will stay there only. It will stay. That's why it is very dangerous, guys. Okay. So that's why this is never advisable, guys. So keep username also. Username H375248. So this is my user ID, guys, in my company. Execute now. See. Now what will happen? Okay, break username. One second, please. Executed. See guys, my username. Now this will be executed for only this user. Okay. So remaining users it will not affect. This is more safer. Okay. So that's why our team members we are advising guys who are freshers or who don't know ABAP properly. In training time we are telling them strictly. We are telling them. Okay. So our team members guys always keep this breakpoint. This is more safer than that. So this will be executed for that user only. ABAP. Suppose you want to debug it. This will be hitting for you only. Okay. See execute. See guys, hitting for me only. See guys, because this is my user ID. See guys, this is my user ID. But you are keeping for some other guy. See, you are keeping something. See, simply I am changing that 249 guys user ID. Just it will never hit for me now because my user ID is different. Okay, run your program. See, it will show the directly output guys. Okay. See, directly output I am getting. See, so this is more safer guys. Okay, these are all static breakpoints. So static breakpoints are of two types: break hyphen point. This one. So this will be executed for every user guys. So let me first define them. Dynamic breakpoint. It is kept using a stop symbol. Okay, this can be killed automatically whenever system is logged off. So suppose you logged off your system, it will die automatically guys. Okay, so the question arises. Interviews they will ask you a question. Here Ashikar, when you are keeping dynamic breakpoint, definitely guys, when SAP is giving the dynamic breakpoint as static, there is some purpose, definitely. So let us see the purpose first. In companies, when you are using dynamic breakpoint and when we are using static breakpoint, I will explain. See guys, when you are using dynamic breakpoint, so that answer also I told you now only. Suppose guys, you don't know the problem. You don't know the problem. It's a very big program. You don't know the problem where it is. The problem might be in 100 line. It can be on 2000 line also. It can be on 5000 line also. In that case, dynamic breakpoint is best. In that case, dynamic breakpoint is best guys. You can keep, again you can remove, you can keep, remove, keep, remove, keep, remove. In that case, we have to keep dynamic breakpoint. Static breakpoint. I know where is a problem. I know the problem is in 2000 line. Exactly. I know guys. I know the problem is on 2000 line. Exactly. Understood. And I want to debug this code. And this code is very complex. And I want to debug this code guys number of times. 100 times I want to debug. Because I'm unable to understand guys what is the problem. But problem I know. Problem I know. It is on 2000 line. But I want to debug this number of times. Keep static breakpoint. Is it clear? If you don't know the problem and you want to debug the number of times, use dynamic breakpoint. You know the problem and the same code at the same point. I want to understand this code number of times. Keep static breakpoint. Is it clear or not? So use dynamic breakpoint. Use this breakpoint. If you don't know, if you are unable to understand the bug or you are unaware of the bug in the program, and if you want to debug the program at multiple times or multiple lines, okay, use that breakpoint. Static breakpoint, you know the code, okay, you know the bug, okay, and you want the same code or the same line of code to debug number of times. Okay, so static breakpoint is preferable. Static breakpoint is preferred ante. It's your wish, okay, it's completely your wish. Suppose you say no, I want to use this one only, okay, keep it. because you are afraid, guys. In previous project, it happened. You kept this static breakpoint and it moved to production, and it caused a big problem. Your team leader called you and he asked number of questions. Hey, you are a real time. You don't know this much also. How many times I told you don't keep static breakpoints? Still you kept. So many questions. Why all these things, guys? Okay, it's completely your wish. Fine, guys. That is breakpoints concept. And remember, guys, very important entry question. How many breakpoints you can keep in a program? Anybody can answer this question? How many max breakpoints you can keep in a program?
It's only one, right?
No, not one. Come on.
Oh.
Anybody have an idea? Real time, anybody? Have you got any message? 30, guys, 30. 30 breakpoints. Okay. So whenever it crosses beyond 30, it will show error message. Like in SAP magazine 6 sessions, we can keep 30 breakpoints. There's a limit. Okay.
So actually, if we keep the breakpoint, you go there and stop there, and it reads and show the data. So we'll check the data. If you're fine, then so if you have to keep adding the breakpoints, so you'll go to next.
Correct. It keeps on adding it. 3,000 line, 5,000 line. Okay.
So that we have to. So manually you can give the 30 breakpoints, is it?
Yes, 30 you can give now. It keeps on 100 line not working fine. You keep 200 line working fine. You go to other select statement working fine. Like this, 30 you can keep manually.
So one breakpoint, either we keep it select statement, so it will only keep the select statement and die, or you keep in loop, so it will read that loop, start and end loop, it will die. So like that.
Correct.
So we breakpoint, we just read one complete job, then it will come out.
Then you keep only one breakpoint, right? You one breakpoint come outside. And for if you want to read a job, that is a different again. If you want to do a background job, that is equal to JDBG. That I will discuss with you. JDBG is a transaction code. We cannot debug by using, because the background jobs, right? Background jobs we have separate. We 100 ways of debugging are there. We cannot keep soft breakpoints. We have a different T code for that for debugging.
So here we are debugging the program through SE38, right? That is also in the transaction they do /h and do debugging, right?
/h now only telling it. The /h is for a universal. It's a transaction code itself for debugging. It's a transaction code for debugging.
Okay.
So it's a transaction code. Yeah, just I was about to tell you, just ask the question. So remember, it's a very big note. /h is a T code for debugging. Anywhere if you want to debug, use /h. Fine, guys. So that is about debugging, and this is not one day. We'll discuss every day, every program I'll show different tips for debugging.
If we give /h, what will happen? Could you show us?
Yeah. No. I will tell you /h in case of table level debugging. Yesterday we changed a value in yesterday only in real time in my company. I changed some value in this table, some table, blah blah. Okay, no problem. And remember, guys, this debugging is not allowed in all the systems. Remember, guys, proximity is not allowed. This is called /h debugging. You select the line items. This line item I want to change. Suppose I want to change /h. 2 times enter. This is called table level debugging. Very useful for functional consultants. Yesterday also, just yesterday only I worked on this one. Okay, simply yesterday only I done. So if you want to make any changes, if you want to delete the code, if you want to change the code, you can write it. This you can do with /h. See, I want to change the plant, blah blah. Any changes you want to make it table level, you can make changes by using that /h. Select save and they will do it. There is a /h. You can programming level also, you can do anywhere you can do it. You can do it application level also.
So here you can change the data and the table.
Yeah, you can change. You can change, you can delete, but never advisable. Don't do it. Never do it. Only in Z tables you do it. Okay. Z tables only do it. Okay. So this I will show you /h in selection screen. This is not good here. Selection screen we will discuss. Okay, /h. There I will tell you. Because here we are not having any, selection screen is better to understand.
Okay.
Because see, it is not responding. See, debugging is on, okay, but not responding. In
Okay.
selection screen, I will tell you this. See, now it is hitting C, debugger is hitting C. That is a job of /H. Now it is responding C. And it is SC38 debugging, guys. You see, PI process after it is entirely SC38 itself. Now it is going to call in somewhere else. The internet is debugging the SC38 itself. SC38, C editor, navigator, blah. /H is for debugging anything, any application also you can debug. Fine. So next topic, guys, we are continuing loops. Still we are in loop only. So in previous classes we discussed up to here. Loop.it into work area. So let us continue further. So we have an option called loop.it into work area from M to N. From to M to N. This addition. Let us try to understand. Suppose, guys, I am writing like this: loop.it into work area. In your internal table, suppose there are 1000 records. In your internal table, there are 1000 records. It will read all the records. It will read all the records, guys. Means it will check all the records. All the records will be checked. But as per my requirement, I want to debug only few records. Means I want to read only process starting 5 records or 5 to 10 records as per my requirement. So we can work with from M to N conditions. See, guys. So let us write some notes. So loop at IT into work area will process all the records in an internal table. In an internal table. But if you want to process the process internal table records as per your requirement. Okay. We need to work with these options. See, guys, 3 options I will tell you. You just tell me. Loop.it into work area from 10 to 20. This is one thing. Second thing is loop.it into work area from 20. What it will do? Just tell me the answer. Loop.it into work area 200. Tell me, guys, answer. What it will do? Quickly, guys. I want the answer quickly.
From 10th line to 20th line.
Yeah, very good. It starts reading from 10th line. It starts reading, guys. It starts reading from 10th line and it will read up to 20. Means 20 only, guys. Here, from is not given, guys. Okay, sorry. 2 is not given. 2 is not given. From is given. So 20 to last record. It's nothing but 20. 2 is last record. So 20 to last. And here, guys, from is not given. Until 1 to 100. This is 1 to 100. And this is 20 to last. The last may be 7 lakh, whatever it may be. Okay, there it is 10 to 20. Simple, guys. Very simple. That's why I'm saying ABAP is very user-friendly language. Anybody can understand. Very plain language. Let us see the system. Suppose I want to read starting 10 records, 210. Full stop. Okay. Activate. Okay, check. Execute. Only starting 10 records it will display. Even there are 7 lakh records here, starting 10 records. So from 7 lakh, we'll write like this: 7 lakh 40,000. So 7 lakh 60,000 to last. Okay, no records, I think. Yes. Okay, leave it. I don't. System is unable to process it. So this is 100th record, guys. This is 100th record. This is up to 7 lakh last records. Last like this. Now 10 to 20 only. I want to read from 10 to 20 only. So reading starts from 10th record. This I will show you in the system itself. Here you will understand a system field called site ABAP. Every program I will show debugging guide. There's a custom, I want to directly go to that loop, guys. I don't want to execute this one. See, guys. Now see, it will start reading from 10th record, index, row number 10. Select desktop 3, your internal table IT. Current in IT, there are more than 7 lakh records. See, guys, where is my 10th record? This record it will read. See, guys. Start reading from line number 10. Another top, guys, is site ABAP. Very, very important topic I am entering. Size sub RC, site ABAP. They are called system fields. I will explain you guys. They are called system fields. Okay. And this system field called site ABAP, it will read the record number, guys. Which record number you are processing? First record. By default, it is first. Now see, guys, whenever this loop is executed, see, guys, currently my yellow color control is on loop. Select F5, shortcut key F5. See, guys, currently see site ABAP. On the top you check, guys, see, automatically become 10. It is showing, guys, I am reading 10th record. I am reading 10th record. So from 10th record, it will read up to 20, guys. See, guys. See that yellow color control? I am keeps on selecting F5, guys. See, now it is reading 13th record. See, 13. Top check, please. Pay concentration on the top. See, 14th record, 15th record it is reading. So once 20th reached, it will terminate. The loop will be terminated. Means it will come outside, guys. The loop will be terminated. Because I am giving order to that loop. I am giving order. Hey loop, you have right to process only 20 records. See, guys, now it is coming outside. The loop is breaking. See, terminated. And from virtual page, this entire data will be transferred to present page. I hope it is clear. This from M to N. Okay, but in companies, we are using rarely this one, not much. The next option is very important, where conditions. Where condition is very important. Loop at IT into work area, where condition. Very important, guys. Where condition. Based on specific key, it will read, guys. Specific customer. Okay, I want to read. Then we are writing where condition. Let me explain you. See, where customer is equal to, I'm not sure. Let us check which customer. Take one customer, guys. And remember, guys, whenever you don't want to debug the program, remove that breakpoint. Or either it will be embarrassing, guys. Every time it will go to that breakpoint. See, I want to read this number. See, P5154. Only this record only I want to read. So where customer field name is equal to single quote, guys, because it's a character. Character should always be in single quotes. And which field you want to compare. So in this internal table, wherever customer is matching with this value, okay, only that value it will read. Only that value it will read. Let us execute. So you will get only one record, guys. Only one record in the output. See, guys, only one record. See. Out of 7 lakh records, guys, see. Suppose I want to read. Let us remove this condition. Okay. These are all weapons, guys. I'm telling you. Whatever I'm discussing, where condition, loops, read, all these are weapons. So ABAP software is a war, guys. It's a battlefield. It's a bloody battlefield. Okay. Sorry to say that word. It's a bloody battlefield. And you should be ready, guys, with all the weapons. Okay. You should know all the weapons in your hand. And guys, in war, you cannot say, let me bring the weapon. This training is not enough. So it's a war, guys. You are in war zone. So learn everything perfectly. If you don't know one weapon also, you are missing, guys. So people will kill you, I'm telling you. Your project manager, your team leader, everybody will kill you. So this is war, guys, I'm telling you. So this customer I want to read now. Okay, 1 second. So let us see. And the person who knows more weapons, he will become king, guys. We have more knowledge. Now let us execute, because the code is, I change it, so you'll get all the records now. So in this I will see. Oh my god, this is sandbox. I think a lot of records are there. So somewhere some bottom I will take this customer, guys, see, and I will write where customer is equal to single quotes, guys, and be proper, guys. Some people will practice like this. No, guys, it's wrong. Now you are informing system that this is a one keyword, guys. No, customer is separate, is equal to separate, is a separate operator. Customer is equal to, again, space. Be very careful, okay? And this is called leading zero concept. I will explain you guys what is leading zero. It is called convergence. I will explain it, don't worry. It's a data dictionary concept. It's too early to discuss. You may ask me question here, Ashikar, why you are keeping zeros? No, guys, I will tell you. So here zeros are also having value, okay? Zero also having value, guys. Execute. Now it will go to that particular place and it will execute, guys, that particular place, and it will pick up that customer only, where condition. See, guys, only that customer it is reading. And let us see which customer it is. Let us go for again debugging and check. So who will return that? Site ABAP. Site ABAP will return that one. Okay. So let us print that also. Site ABAP. At last I will print it. See, right. Site ABAP. Record number. Site ABAP. So it returns the record number, okay, which you are reading. So no need to debug also. Now directly you'll get the output also, guys. Site ABAP, okay. They are called system fields. Sai sub RC, Sai datum, Sai uname. I will discuss, okay, everything. It is taking time, guys, because of data, guys, okay. We have large amount of data. Definitely, guys. I can check which record it is reading. See, guys, top you can check. See, guys, 5,77,088 records. 5 lakh. See, guys. So this is that record number, okay. It will return that record number, guys. Okay. Fine, guys. Any questions? Any doubts up to here? That is a looping concept. Any questions? Any doubts about loops? But remember, guys, this condition, this where condition, always write within loop and loop. Never write independent like this is blunder. In real time, never write like this. Always write within loop and loop. Let me show you. Always use where condition in multiple loops or nested loops. Nested loop means you have to write like this. Loop at IT1 into work area1, loop at IT into work area where customer is equal to work area 1 of this. This is the way, guys, we need to write where condition. This is the correct way of writing. But guys, this nesting of loops, it will reduce performance. It will take time, guys. Multiple loops will always take time. So avoid this one, okay? But it's compulsory, use it, okay? Fine, guys, any question?
You said something Cybex, right? What is that? Cybex, something you type.
Yeah, system variable.
They are called system variable. I will tell you, no problem. See, actually we have system variables. Listen, let me explain. We have a concept of variable. Already in starting classes, I told you, in ABAP, if you want to store any data, if you want to change any data, we have variable concept. So we have two types of variables: user defined variables. User defined means we are creating, like work area is user defined, internal table is user defined. So we have predefined variables also. Predefined variables. Predefined means system variables. They're called system variables. And all your system variables, they starts with psi, guys. System variables or system field starts with psi, prefix psi. Psi. Okay, and all these system variables, they are stored in a table structure called all the system fields are maintained in a standard structure called SYST system. And if sometimes the interview will ask you in freshers, guys, generally fresher interviews, how many system fields are there? 171 guys total. And real time, guys, best we are using psi data, psi uname, psi use IT. This I will tell you guys throughout the course. I will explain you. Psi sub RC. Psi sub RC is deadly important, guys. Deadly important. Psi ucom. Psi ucom is also deadly important. Okay, psi tabix, psi dbcint, psi opsys, psi badge. Okay, like this. Okay, we have system fields. So many are there. Okay, psi index. They are the most usually we are using in companies. Okay, psi T code. Suppose you want to return which T code currently I am working, SE38, VA01. Okay, F-28, FAGL0. Which T code I am working. This is very useful, guys. This is very useful. Okay, so there are system fields. You can check the system fields in SC71. Go to SC11. Sorry, SC11 transaction code syst. SYST syst. It's a predefined structure. All the system fields you can find here. See this F171. So here we have psi index, psi page number. Suppose in smart forms, in Adobe Forms, you want the current page number. So use this one, tabix. Now only we discuss psi tabix. It returns the row index of internal table. So row index, which record you want to process. Psi tfl, psi. So many are there, guys. All we are not working. So dbcint. Dbcint is very important. Select statement. How many records select is extracting? That is written by psi dbcint. This also I show in debugging. How many records a select statement is returning correctly now? That is written by psi dbcint. DB means count. DB means database. CNT means count. So name only it is written, guys. Tab is internal table index. IX means index. Internal table index. DB means database count. OP means operating system. OPSYS. Now see, guys, psi dbcint. Here you type. See, guys, psi dbcint. See, guys, 7,56,822 records. See, psi dbcint, it returns the count of number of records. Psi datum, it returns the today's date. Suppose you want to know today's date. Today's date, psi datum. Psi datum, today's date. See, guys, 6th. Today is 6th. Oh, this is US timing, guys. Don't worry. You may be thinking this guy is teaching recording. It seems today is 7th. But the US, my client is US, guys. Okay, that's why US timing. Still, it is US timing. Okay, I think it is morning.
Here, this is a small program you wrote, right? This 40-line program.
Yes.
In this, how we get this psi date, all this?
Automatically. Come on, they are system fields. They are system fields. System will automatically recognize them. System will automatically recognize them. You don't need to write. See, psi uname, username, my user ID. It will return current user ID, my user ID, login user ID. See, this is my user ID. Okay, like this. It's all system will return. OPSYS. OPSYS is operating system. See, Linux. Currently, my client is working in Linux operating system.
Oh, okay.
Psi uname. Psi ucom. Ucom is a FCT code. This will not return, guys, because currently we are not selecting any button. This will see in module pool program. Buttons codes it will return. Very useful. Psi T code SE38. Currently, you are working with SE38 T code. See, guys, all your system fields. Clear? So these are very popular, guys. Okay, we are working in companies.
Okay.
Fine. Any other question up to here? Clear? So what are system fields? You ask a question, I will tell the history, geography, civics of that one, guys. Just ask a question. For time, for me, time is not important. I will take 1 hour extra, guys. Sunday, Saturday, anything, one extra. But for me, subject is, I enjoy, guys. It's not that I'm teaching for you. I'm teaching for myself, guys. It is my passion. So I'm very, it's my selfishness. Okay. I love teaching, guys. Believe me or not. I love teaching and die for it. Just ask a question. I will tell you history, geography, and civics. Now, next option is read statement. So up to now we discussed loops, guys. Loops are deadly important, and throughout the course we'll discuss loops. Without loop, there is no program in ABAP. Now let us see read. Equally important read statement. Equally important, very important. Read statement, loop statement. It can read multiple records. It can read, okay, can. But read can read single record, guys. So it can read a single record from body to work area, internal table to work area, only single, guys. It cannot read multiple. It can read only single from body to work area. Let us see the syntax. Very useful, guys. Read table IT into work area, index, and syntaxes. They are grammar, guys. You need to remember the grammar. Very useful. So by heart these syntaxes, okay. Index with key expression, very important. With key expression is very important. Then binary search, very important. In almost every program you will find binary search. Then we have transporting addition, and with no transporting addition, no transfer. Don't think, guys, I'm teaching a lot. Never, guys, because whatever I know I'm teaching, guys. Okay, whatever I know, I'm not keeping anything with me. Whatever I know, I'm just spitting out outside it, my body, guys, my mind. I'm teaching everything to you. So don't think he's teaching too much. Oh, my brain is very small. I'm a functional guy. I cannot accommodate this much knowledge. That is your wish, okay? That is your passion. But I'm teaching my passion. I will teach everything, whatever I know. So don't think it's too much. That's your wish, okay? If you don't want to absorb, don't absorb it, okay? Whatever you want to absorb it, please. Fine. Now let us see what it is doing, each and everything in step by step. First option, read table IT into work area. It's an error message, guys. Don't write this alone. It's an error message. Never write read table IT into work area. Compulsory you have to write some addition along with it, okay? This is an error message. So write read table IT into work area, index, and one by one we'll discuss step by step. First, let me explain the example, then we'll see the definition. And I will never encourage to buy our definitions. First, you understand the concept. Concept is very important. Whether it is mathematics, chemistry, physics, any subject, concept is very important. See, guys, suppose this is my internal table. And in my internal table, I'm having some records. Already this internal table is having some data. Okay, say IT. Okay, and this is my work area. This is my work area. Please, guys, involvement. I want your 100% involvement in the class. Just you listen my classes. That is enough, guys. That is enough. And practice, Babu. Practice. Practice. Okay. Next. Say material and quantity. And here I'm having material number and quantity something. Say 100. Say metal number F002, F003, F004. And we have some quantity 200, 300, 400. And these are my row numbers. Okay, first record, second record, line numbers. You can call line number, row number, anything. 4 records. Okay. See, guys, I want to read only particular record, guys. Particular index. Me third record I want to read from body to work area. I want to read only third record from body to work area. So how to write? So we need to use this condition, guys. Read condition, index addition. See, guys, simple, understand. Read table IT into work area index 3. Simple guys, very interesting. Index 3 ante. So with this, third record is transferred from body to work area. Nothing else. Very plain language. Simple. Third record is transferred from body to work. So what is the definition? So it reads a specific line number or row number, anything you can call. Row number from body to work area. Body to work area. Okay. Example. So read table IT into work area. Index 3, third record. Okay. Next one, deadly important. Please pay concentration, guys. This is very important. What I'm teaching. Read table into work area. With key expression. Deadly important. This is the most important topic, guys. I'm teaching you. Read table IT into work area with key expression. Almost, guys, this condition every real-time program will use. I will show you some real-time programs. You'll not believe me. Rajshekhar is teaching. Take some real-time program. Yesterday I told you how to search, guys. In ABAP, if you want to search a keyword, so I want to search read keyword, see read table. See, just simply type. See, guys, binocular icon. I told you yesterday. Suppose I want to find that read table. See, select that binocular option on the top. Find. Not type. See read table. Enter option. See, guys, so many are there. See, guys, so many places it is written. See, and you see, guys, with key expression. See, with key expression, anywhere you see, guys, address number with key expression. Here binary search. See, binary search addition. See, guys, with key expression, binary search, so useful. It's all with key only. See, guys, in this program, guys, see, so many times it is used, so many times. See, so without this there is no program, guys. See, transporting no fields. See, transporting addition also it is used somewhere. See, transporting no fields. This is also index addition also you see, guys, index 1. So all came, guys, in this program. Index, transporting addition, binary search with key expression. Everything came, guys, from this syntax. Came or not? Everything came except this. And this we are not working much in the companies. And not at all working. Except this, everything came. Index came with key expression, very important. Binary search came, very important. No transporting also came, guys. Okay. This is very important. Let me explain you first what it is doing. Key expression. Suppose, guys, in my program there is another work area. Suppose in my program there is one more work area, guys. Okay, it happened, guys. In a big program, definitely multiple work areas are there. There is another work area, say work area 1, and it is having fields, say material and customer. And a customer wise material, and this material belongs to this customer, or I can say this material I am selling to that customer. Simple, guys. Say F002, guys. Okay, and say customer number DV099 something. This is my customer number. Now my requirement is I want to compare this internal table. Listen carefully, the wordings, the English wordings I am speaking. I want to compare this internal table with this work area. I want to compare my internal table IT with that work area, and based on that I want to read the data. Based on that I want to read the data from this internal table to this work area. Then we need to use with key expression. Let me write that. How we are doing that job, let us try to understand. Very easy, guys, very interesting language. In my dictionary there is no hard, tough, nothing, guys. It's all your creativity. People will say pressure, lot of stress, depression. It's all your emotions. It's all hormone hijack, guys, hormone magic, nothing else, chemicals. So I am writing like this. See, guys, read table IT into work area, with key, which field material in that internal table, which field material field is equal to work area 1 of material. This is how, guys, we have to write with key expression. With key expression. Once again, I will write because it's a deadly important concept. Read. Read means I want to transfer. Table. Which internal table you want to transfer? IT I want to transfer. Where you want to read? Where? Into that work area I want to read. Which record you want to read? Which record and a where condition? With key. Which field you want to read? Compare. Which field you want to compare? Material. Where is it? Where is that value for comparison? Work area 1 of material. So currently, guys, in this work area 1 of material, we are having F002. F002. See carefully. In that work area, we are having, see guys, this value we are having it. See. Now listen carefully, guys. English, simple English. In this internal table, IT, wherever field material, with key means wherever field material, and this one, wherever field material, this one I'm highlighting it, see, with red color, see, wherever field material, simple, guys, matching with F002, nothing else is matching with F002. Tell me, guys, which record is matching? Which record
Second
is matching?
record.
Second record is matching. Yemane undandi, very easy, guys, simple. Any difficulty? Even a second class guy can understand. I'm not comparing, guys. It's a simple thing, guys. Very, very easy language. Most plain language in this world, guys, in this planet. This record will be transferred from body to work area. So ABAP is more easier than third class mathematics, guys. Believe me or not. Simple, guys. Read table IT. I want to read the data from IT into that work area. Into this work area, I want to read. Into this work area. So which record? Which record? Small child asking, hey, which record? Which record? Material record. Material field. This field I want to read. Where is that value? Comparison value in this work area. So in this internal table, wherever field material is matching with F002, please transfer it. Please transfer it, guys. Please read that record from this body to this work area. Now a question arises. You may ask me a question, entry question. Rajshekhar, suppose the record is not there. Then what? Suppose that record is not there. Suppose in that work area F005 is there, guys. What will happen? Anybody can tell me? Anybody can tell me. Suppose that record is F005 in that. What read will do? Anybody?
Error.
It will fail, guys. The read will fail. And we have a system field called SAP. Here SAP will be coming into picture. Okay, SAP, deadly important, guys. Deadly and deadly. Today we are discussing so many important concepts. So today is a great day for you. So read table IT into work area with key. Material is equal to work area 1 of material. Suppose it is failing, guys. Okay, so we have to write like this: if SAP equal to 0, guys, means success. Now let me explain you what SAP will do. Listen carefully this point, guys. Please try to understand what SAP will do. If this read is successful, and if it is doing its job successfully, guys, it will return 0, guys. But if it is failing, guys, if it is failing to do that job, it will go to else condition and a failure, guys. Failure. Okay, that I will do it now only. I will show you how we can use SAP. Let me explain you. Suppose, guys, after select statement, I want to give a message to the user. After select statement, I want to give a user-friendly messages, because in companies, guys, suppose you went to ATM center. In ATM center, you are getting money or you are not getting money. You want a message compulsory. Suppose you are not getting money, you should get a message. Balance over, or it's not possible. More than this balance, you cannot withdraw. Some message, guys, error message or successful message I want. So how to get that message? See, guys, I'm writing a message. If SAP equal to 0, SAP equal to 0 means this select statement is returning its job. It is returning the records. It is extracting the data. Then SAP will return 0. Give a message. Give a message. Records found. Records found. Okay. Type information message. I means information message. This today, tomorrow I will tell you guys what are these IE. Else, guys, failure message. Record failed or records not found. So today we discuss many important topics, guys, many useful topics. Error message, guys, error message. Now today only I was discussing UFI class. In UFI class also, guys, I was discussing about error message. There it is different. Today only, guys, by chance both the topics came same. So their error message today I was discussing same, guys. See, now you see the message. Now this is more user friendly program. See, guys. So before getting the result, you'll get one information pop-up. See, you'll get an information pop-up. See, guys, records found. Awesome, guys. Such messages in companies compulsory, guys. We need to give it to client. See, records found. Then you will get the data. See, then you will get the data. Similarly, if failure, guys, because it's not a selection screen. We'll discuss in selection screen about failure message. Okay, because definitely you'll get the data, guys. Okay, no question about it. That is SAP ABAP, guys. Okay, very useful. Tomorrow I will get the notes for this. Okay, this message option. Fine, guys. Any questions about today's class? Tomorrow we'll discuss the definition of this. Read everything. Any question about today's class? Any questions? Dayaki, Giridhar, Pratap, Rajendra, Shankar.
We need to know those terminologies, right? Like size of bar. See, there are so many things, right? So we should know all of it, and we should know the meaning of it.
That you have to know, right?
Yeah. Okay.
That you have to know, Shankar.
Okay.
That I can take the horse to the water. I'm not telling you are horses and all those things. Okay. Just I can guide you, right? You have to read.
Yeah.
See, attending my class is not enough. I'm saying that you will understand my class very easily. Okay.
Okay.
I will make you explain it. You can understand my class very easily.
Okay.
But you have to do it. So I can do 20%, 30%, but remaining 60, 50 you have to do, right?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
I will give my best, but remaining you have to do. You have to practice, right? And practice is very important, guys. Without that, I'm saying sorry. Okay, I cannot help you, guys. Practice is more important. You don't attend my class, no problem. You don't attend my class also, but you will practice. That is enough. Practice is very important. So I can say, coming to class, I see like seeing the food. Just you are seeing food, guys, and practicing is like eating food. So decide, guys, which is important. So you want to eat food or you want to see food? So class is just you are seeing food, guys. Okay. But practice is just something like you're eating food and you are digesting your food. So practice is deadly important, guys. Never miss this practice. And it's a technical. And technically, practice is more important. If I'm teaching 1 hour class, you have to spend 3 hours, guys, in your system. Okay. If I'm teaching 2 hours class, you have to spend 6 hours. There's no question about it. You have to practice and do it. And don't procrastinate, guys. Tomorrow I will do. Definitely. Now in your mind, you are getting it. Tomorrow I will do. Today office, I have to go office. Definitely, guys. It's gone. If Saitan came in your mind, this is called Saitan. Procrastination is one of the biggest Saitan. Believe me, guys, 80% of people are dying, guys. You know, dying? I'm using very big word. Dying, guys. 80% of people in this world are dying because of this procrastination. Procrastination. And 100% people, they're spoiling their life. 100% of students, they are spoiling life. Not only students, everybody. Even my kid also, guys. Whether my kid or you, everybody are same. For you and my kid, both are same. They are spoiling their future, guys, because of this procrastination. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Sunday. But cinema, you want to see Mahesh Babu cinema? I think 11th it is releasing. Mahesh Babu cinema. Definitely go first day, first show. First day, first show. Nenu వదిలిపెడతానా మా favorite hero అండి. This you will not procrastinate. You will never procrastinate. But this you will procrastinate, guys. This is your life, guys. So decide which is important. You need to take a decision. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.